Welcome to LawSnoop, where we break down legal myths and uncover the truth behind complex cases. Today's topic is federal trucking laws, myths versus reality in semi-truck accident claims. Before we begin, please remember this video is for educational purposes only. It does not provide legal advice, and for guidance on your specific situation, you should consult a licensed attorney. One common myth is that truck accident claims are handled just like car accident cases. In reality, federal trucking laws set strict standards for driver hours, vehicle maintenance, and cargo safety. These regulations can dramatically impact liability and the outcome of a claim. Another myth is that victims don't need to understand federal rules because insurance companies will handle everything. The truth is, knowing how federal laws apply can reveal violations, such as logbook fraud, improper inspections, or hours of service breaches, that strengthen a victim's case. Some people also believe that trucking companies always comply with federal regulations. In fact, violations are common, and proving them can be the key to recovering fair compensation. Understanding the reality of federal trucking laws is essential. It ensures victims know why these rules matter, how they shape accident claims, and why myths about simple cases can leave them unprepared. Thanks for listening to LawSnoop, where we bust legal myths and bring clarity to complex issues. Be sure to join us for more episodes as we continue uncovering the truths behind the law. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Every case is unique.